In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the language in ClickUp so you can work in the language you are most comfortable with. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and go to the official website of ClickUp.com. From here, I want you to log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, this is a golden opportunity for you to create one. Creating an account here with ClickUp is a breeze. All I have to do is provide the information needed and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you are logged in to your ClickUp workspace, I want you to hover to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon. From here, I want you to click the settings and it will give you a lot of options in your account. Now hover down below where you can see the language and region, wherein you can customize your language and region. From here, you can choose from any of the following language that you are comfortable with. This is particularly helpful if you are working in a collaborative environment. For example, you are working in a multicultural freelancers or individuals. Some are using Spanish, some are using Chinese, and a lot more. For example, we're going to be using French. We're going to click that. And as you may notice, it takes a little while, and then the language should be changed in your ClickUp workspace. It's very simple right here. Okay, so hover down below if you want to revert it back again to English. Click on that. And then basically that's how you change the language in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.